Was it the voice? Was it the
Hi everyone, so right now I'm ready and I'll be going for my keratin treatment. As you can see, my hair is almost wavy and frizzy and back to its original form. I had done my last keratin treatment on January or February, and this is October, 2nd October, so it's been pretty much 9-10 months. So I think for 9-10 months I can still do with the upper part of my hair, like the upper layers, but my inside of my hair is like completely ruined, like not ruined, I mean it's back to my original form, which is like wavy. So I am not going to just see if you see this part, it's I don't know if you can understand, like I'm going to try and make you see. So yeah, so my not in the best of shape, so I'm going to go and get my keratin treatment done. Mind you, it's not keratin straightening, but it's keratin treatment. So I'll be going there and shooting the process, and I'll be showing you like what is the difference between keratin treatment and keratin straightening, and how does your hair look after keratin treatment, and the small questions which you might have. So let's go there and shoot rest of the video. Bye. So I've come for my keratin treatment, mind you, not keratin straightening like I did it last in January or February. So I'm gonna get it done again. So I'm here for the consultation. What's your name?
Hello ma'am, my name is Samir.
So here I'm with Samir at iTurners. So he's gonna do it for me. Last time even he like did it for me. It was really nice. So I wanted him again. So let's see what he has to say. So keep watching. Yeah, you can see my hair is almost like frizzy and damaged because I color so much and everything. So keratin treatment is like a savior for me, since my hair is so damaged and it's like a little rough. So I'm not gonna do straightening because it's gonna damage my hair more. So I'm gonna do the treatment so that it will cure my this frizziness and take care of my hair. So I'm gonna do Cadview keratin treatment. Cadview, I love that brand because last time I did, my hair difference definitely made, I saw a difference. So keep watching with me to see the whole process.
lately I've been high? Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high. I've been high. Lately I've been I wanna know what nobody knows. I wanna go where nobody goes. I lost my way, but I found my fighter's destiny. I don't wanna look back now, 'cause I know that I don't need your love. I won't let you take me down, 'cause lately I've been
Completed the application, so we are going to let it dry and then we are going to do the ironing. So unlike keratin straightening, usually after straightening we usually have to wait for 2-3 days and then come after the third day for the wash, and this 3 days we cannot do anything with our hair, fold our hair, dye our hair, shampoo our hair. But with keratin treatment you can do everything. Like just today, right after going home, probably I can tie my hair, I can do whatever, because it's a treatment which you're doing. It's a one-time thing. I do not have to come up for a follow-up session. I do not have to come for post-wash. I can shampoo my hair tomorrow itself. So it's a much easier process, faster process, and less harsher, and it's great for treating damaged and frizzy hair because my hair had become damaged and frizzy, and so I think it's a great thing compared to straightening. So if you're thinking and scared of hair fall and everything, please go for keratin treatment and not keratin straightening. So let's see how it turns out in the end. Keep watching.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high. I wanna know what nobody knows. I wanna go where nobody goes. I lost my way, but I found my fighter's destiny. I don't wanna look back now, 'cause I know that I don't need your love. I won't let you take me down, 'cause lately I've been
So hi, this is my final look. Finally, we have spent like 4.5 hours, and Samir has done a great job. This is Samir. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome.
I love this. So this is how my hair finally looks like, and we also did keratin like treatment and also a keratin spa. So that is the complete look because my hair was really damaged. So I think it's really going to help. So I will post another review post tomorrow morning to just show you how it's looking the next day. And I have already washed it. I do not need a follow-up. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I will get back to you after some time because I have more in store. Bye. Keep watching.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke.
Hi everyone. So today I finally washed my hair after 3 days. Like I did my keratin treatment on Saturday and today is Tuesday. So I finally washed my hair at home. I did not go anywhere. And as I said, I did not, for keratin treatment, it's not necessary you have to go again for your wash. It's completed on the day itself you're having your treatment. So as I promised to you that I'm going to show you my hair post washing. So as you can see the difference between keratin treatment and keratin straightening. So my hair is not focused straight and it's not supposed to be because keratin treatment, the idea is to is to tame down the frizz and to treat damaged hair and to make it freeze free. So that's exactly what my hair looks like. It's freeze free, and the damage which you saw in the previous day, the videos which I showed you or the pictures which I showed you, my hair was so rough and it was extremely dry and brittle and frizzy. But now if you just look at my hair, it's shiny, it's looking healthy, it's looking proper. Even though it's colored, I did not color it anymore. So it's looking healthy. That's what I wanted, and I did not want to go through the side effects of straightening. So I have straightened my hair. Let me tell you, I have straightened my hair 4 to 5 times before. So this is the second time I'm doing the treatment. So right now, after doing both and having experience in both, I would definitely prefer keratin treatment rather than straightening. Because yes, straightening might be like long lasting. It might be appropriate for you if your hair is like really wavy and crazy, and if it's something which you really want, like if you want that poker straight look. But I feel when the hair starts growing, you know, your baby hair starts getting wavy, it looks very unnatural. So then again, it becomes like a regular thing which you have to do. But with keratin treatment, it's about treating your hair, it's making your hair healthy. And I have just washed my hair at home with the Cat View shampoo and conditioner which I was provided, and I think I am happy with it. Like my hair is healthy, so that's all I wanted. So I hope this video is helpful to you, and you know, you will get an idea like what is the difference between keratin treatment, keratin straightening, how your hair looks like post treatment. Like many people were confused, like does it have the same effect, what kind of effect. So my hair is not poker straight, but it's absolutely like I'm good with it. Whatever, it's like freeze free, it's manageable, it's healthy, so I'm good with it. So if you find this video helpful and you like it, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I love reading through your comments, and let me know like what else would you like me to shoot videos on. I'll be more than happy to do it for you. So take care, bye, and happy pujas. Mwah. See you again.